Well, there are various ways, there are various approaches of doing program evaluation. One of them is summative evaluation. Summative evaluation refers to the overall judgment of the course. That's what we're gonna explore here in brief in this module. Summative evaluation as compared to formative. Formative is about development, or it's about the overall development of a language program. But on the other hand, summative, it identifies issues of efficiency and acceptability. I mean, to what extent a language program is running efficiently and how it's been received by teachers, administration, and students. So its scope generally measures the effectiveness of a language program. So summative evaluation seeks to answer questions such as these. For example, how effective was course? So it gives a judgment, overall judgment, whether it was effective or not. I mean, for example, if the course was on developing reading skills of students, it's worth seeing at the end of the course to see how it went. And it's just a statement given. So what did students learn? This could be done through test performance. I mean, by assessing their overall performance, how well it was received. I mean, whether the teacher, students, they were motivated to receive the course, and did materials work well. For example, if the teacher, she has chosen some authentic materials, and were they received well by the students? Were they motivated to learn language through materials which are authentic, which are derived from sources not specifically made for language classrooms? And were the objectives adequate? There are certain parameters which we can use to measure the effectiveness of a course. So one of them is the mastery of objectives. As the term itself indicates, in this way, we just try to identify whether the course has achieved its objectives. And if not, what were the areas? So for example, if a teacher wants to develop, group discussion skills through teaching, speaking, so it's worth observing towards the end of the course and see if the students are comfortable enough to participate in group discussion and what areas they need improvement. And in this way, some shortcomings could be identified and which could be remedied, right? Performance on tests is a very simple one, just to have some tests on weekly or monthly basis and see how the students perform. So this could give some outcome. Retention rate is important one. I mean, if students are, they are continue to join the program, or they just stick to the program, and if there is a major amount of drop-off rates of the students, that could show that the students are least interested in the overall running of the course. And efficiency of the course is another criteria where you could make decisions about the adequacy of the materials, provision of quality teaching, and the explicit mentioning of the aims and objectives of the course. So summative evaluation, in brief, is an important element of evaluation of a program, and this just helps us get some overall judgments about the effectiveness of a language program.